Hello, I am Andrew, and today I am going to talk about mountains. So, watch and listen. Right now, the time is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. 5 o'clock or 5 p.m. 5 p.m. And today is Wednesday. Outside, the weather today is really bad. It is raining heavily. So, today I am going to talk to you about mountains. Mountains in the UK and Ireland, in the British Isles. The tallest mountain in the British Isles is in Scotland. Here. The tallest, the number 1 tallest mountain is called Ben Nevis. Ben Nevis has a height of 1,345 meters. So, from here to the peak of Ben Nevis is 1,345 meters. Ben Nevis is 1,345 meters tall. The tallest mountain in Wales, the country of Wales, is 1,085 meters tall. And the tallest mountain in Ireland is 1,039 meters tall. The tallest mountain in England is 978 meters tall. Interesting point. The tallest mountain outside of Scotland is in Wales, and it has a height of 1,085 meters. But this mountain is only the 19th tallest in the British Isles. The 18 tallest mountains within the British Isles are all in Scotland. All 18 are in Scotland. So, the tallest mountain in Wales is the 19th tallest in the British Isles. The tallest in Ireland is the 31st tallest, and the tallest in England is the 46th tallest. So, Scotland is the most mountainous country in the British Isles of Scotland. How does the tallest mountain in the British Isles compare to the tallest mountain in the world? The tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest, which is here. Mount Everest is huge. Mount Everest is 8,849 meters tall. Yes. Whereas the tallest in the British Isles is 1,345 meters tall. Very small when compared to Mount Everest, yes. And comparing this to the height at which a plane flies, most planes fly at an altitude of about 11,000 meters. Yes. In the UK, during the summer, so January, February, in the UK, during the summer, June until June, July, August, and the start of September, and the spring in April and May, it is very popular for people to travel to Scotland to climb these mountains. Lots of people like to walk up the mountains during the spring and the summer when the weather is good. In the winter, December, January, February, and March, when there is snow and it is colder, people still come to the north of Scotland, but not to walk up the mountains, no. During the winter, December, January, February, and March, when there is snow in the north of Scotland, people still travel to Scotland, but not to walk up the mountains. No, they come to Scotland to ski down the mountains. In the summer, June, July, August, September, when it is warm and the weather is good, people walk up the mountains. Then when the weather turns cold, they come and ski down the mountains. And the north of Scotland is beautiful in both the summer and the winter. Yes. Okay, this is all for today and mountains. Thank you for watching and listening to this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.